welcome back. So as you can see in front of you, we have a very large canvas. I actually had to go to a Michael's like 45 minutes away from where I live to get this size because they don't carry it in my store. So this is a 16 by 40 level 3 Artist Loft gallery wrapped heavy duty canvas. I'm super excited to use this one. I did a color test last night, and this is the result of that color test. And so that's what we are doing today. This was actually a 12 by 12. So we're going a little bit bigger than what my color test was, but I'm using some new brands of paints, and I'm pretty excited about the outcome, so we'll see how it does on a really big canvas. So I made up a lot of white because we have a lot of canvas that we need to cover. So our white is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and it's about 80% white and 20% of this PPG Metallic tones. So our white does have a slight metallic look to it. So I want to say it was 8 ounces. Well, so I mixed them up in 3 different cups. So I've got these 3 cups here because I don't have something big enough to mix all this paint. So 3 cups, each one had 8 ounces of the Artist Loft White and 2 ounces of the PPG Metallic tones in each one. And then each one I mixed up with the water until I got to the consistency that I wanted it to. And then I put it all together in the big, this big pouring thing here. So I have about 36 ounces of white made up. And then I finished kind of thinning it out to the consistency that I wanted in the big jug. So that's how I mixed my white. And then our other colors are, we've got the Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. This might be some of my new favorite paints. This is Modern Masters Metallic Paint. It is a satin finish. This one is the Venetian Blue. It is an opaque paint, but I think that it's going to help us give us some really good veins and all that kind of stuff. This one, I get this set at Michael's, and I actually got quite a few different colors. I got a really pretty red and some orange and some purple that we're going to use in some later paintings. But this one does come with an allergy warning. May produce allergic reaction by skin contact. And then it also has first aid warning on the back that if you get it on your skin, wash immediately with soap and water. So if I was doing a flip cup with this paint, then I would probably wear gloves, but we're just doing a Dutch pour, so I'm not too worried about it. But just know it is a beautiful paint, and they have some gorgeous colors, but just be careful of the allergy warning if you use that one. And then our last color, our gold, is the DecoArt Metallics 24 karat gold. So all of those I mixed up and then added the water to the consistency that I was looking for. So I don't have the exact water ratios. Each paint is different when it comes to how much water you need. So you just kind of have to play with it till you find the consistency that you like. So we are going to put the paint on the canvas. We are going to use a blow dryer to kind of move it all around to get everything nice and level and even. And then we are going to put on our layers and spray them out, or blow them out. And then use a straw and my own air to kind of get a good design of what we're looking for. Our blow dryer is the Conair Cord Keeper 1875. Lowest heat possible, highest pressure on mine, and I also use the cool button. And then I have my attachment to help funnel the air correctly. The canvas was prepped with the DecoArt Americana Snow Titanium White. And it was just a feather prep. And I think that's everything that y'all needed to know. So I'm going to get my music turned on. And we are going to go ahead and get started.
there. Be amazing. And you give $25 a month, you're in.
All right, we are going to stop right there. I'm still kind of worried about this corner right here. I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I don't want to mess with it too much more. So we are going to go ahead and stop. Thank you very much for watching. This is part 1. Part 2, we will come back and we will resin this. And, yeah, and we'll see how it dries. So down in the description below, links to my Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, as well as my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. There's also a link down there if you'd like to help sponsor my channel. Thank you to all those who have sponsored me. That helps me get new types of paints to try, and these kind of canvases and that kind of stuff. So thank you very much. For the month of October, anybody who helps support my channel will be entered into a drawing. You will win. This is a 9x12 canvas. It was a Dutch pour with a Mandalay owl on it, and it's all been sealed in polyacrylic. So you will win that, as well as a coffee mug that I make of my choice. So go check out all the links. All of the colors used are down in the description. Again, thank you very much for watching. This is going to make some great prints. So stay tuned at the end of the video for the up-close macro shots. And I'm also going to get some really good photos so I can load these to my Redbubble and Teespring account so we can get some prints of sections of it. So again, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing everybody in part 2. And as always, God bless.